Welcome back to my channel. Today we have another fun collab with the ladies from the Creative Collab group that I'm a part of. This month's theme is Stinkin' Pink because National Pink Day is June 23rd. And yeah, so the lovely ladies participating in this one is Afoma from Amofa.O, Anya, also known as Pink Sweets from Anya Stamper, Candace from Candace Hampton, Rachael from Rae Young, Rachael from Pixie Rae MUA, Lisa from the Curvy Cuban, Samantha from Samantha Slaughter, Tara from Tara Beauty 36. So this is probably going to be a relatively simple look for me because I really don't know what I'm going to do for Stinkin' Pink, but I'm going to start off with the pink stuff. So we'll work from there. I think I'm going to go with this super vibrant pink right here called Pop. And this is the Ruby May Pop Zombie palette. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Hank and Henry palette Sweet Tooth here, and I'm going to use Hard Candy. So now I think I am going to go in with this pink right here called Brains in the Pop Zombie palette. So now I'm going to go in with my So Susan palette here. This is Rose Gold palette. I am going to use this Arcadian color right here. Okay, so now I'm going to use this. No, I'm not going to use it because it's not going to go with what I'm doing. Okay, so now I think I'm going to make it interesting, and I'm going to use this palette right here. This is Viseart Bio Royal. And I am going to take this green color. I am going to get a brush, wet it, and dip into that green color and start lining my eyes with it, because it's Stinkin' Pink, so I am using green to represent this stink. Okay, so there's a light green I think I need to go with now. This is Plague right here in the Ruby May Pop Zombie. Okay, so now I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make this a little different. Where did my brush go? Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in with this color here in the Viseart palette under my eyes. so now I'm gonna go in with the Sweet Tooth palette again with Mint Tea, that green right there. Alright, so now I'm gonna take this pink color here. This is Marc Jacobs, and I'm gonna go in the waterline. This is Pinky Swear. Alright, so I'm going to use this and kind of trace my top winged eyes a little bit. See, that really just defined it a little bit, which is exactly what we wanted. And now I need to put some lashes on, if I can find what I'm looking for. Okay, so lashes, we are using these right here. These are 3D. Yeah, they're just big lashes that I'm using. These are called Sweetie, I think. Anyways, that's what we're using. Actually, before I put on lashes, I need to put some mascara on, and we're going to use Thrive Liquid Lash Extension. Okay, back to lashes. We'll put them on now. So we've got the lashes going. We need some glitter. I've got this green one here in the ColourPop one that is going on the eyeballs. And then I have this pink one from the Crescent Moon that is also going on the eyeballs. So now I want to put some glitter on the cheeks. I am going to use the pink on the cheeks. I'm going to take my finger into this color Zenith as well. Get a brush and brush that out because yep, it's special. Okay, so I'm gonna get a pink. And which pink am I getting? I'm getting the pink from the Pop Zombie one here, the Brains one, and I'm gonna buff out the edges of the cheeks. Dab a little bit of that green glitter on the cheeks. So I got a little carried away with the green glitter and it ain't going anywhere, so I'm just gonna leave it. Alright, so now we need a lip color. I think I'm going to go with this right here. This is Ofra and shade Santa Monica. Okay, so I'm going to take this pink color from Sugar Pill. This is Lala, and dab that in the center. Alright, so we need more glitter. We're going to use this glitter gloss from Ruby May. This is Los Angeles. Okay, so that's not really working. I'm just going to dab that Athia color on from this palette. This is the Crescent Moon. I am dabbing that pink color on it. And I think we need to finish it off with a little bit of the green glitter as well. So let's dab that on the lips. Alright, so this is it of my stinking pink look. What do you think? Alright, so since that is it, please do not forget to check out the other ladies' videos. I'll have a link to their videos down below, as well as a link to the playlist of all their videos up top in the eye icon. And that is it. So please do not forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment below, let me know your thoughts on this look. And otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.